To send money via the Xoom app, start by opening the app and logging in with PayPal if you have an account. Once logged in, click on the Get Started option. Then select Send Money. Next, choose the country or region where you want to send the money, and enter the amount you want to send. Select the currency you want to use, such as US dollars or Japanese yen. Note that the recipient will receive the money in their local currency, depending on the country you're sending it to. After entering the amount and currency, tap that Next button and choose a receiving option, either bank deposit or cash pickup. Bank deposit is recommended, so select that option and tap Next again. Then, choose the recipient's bank from the available options or search for it. Enter the account number, 5-digit PIN, and 3-digit code, and click Next when you're done. On the next page, enter the recipient's information, including their first name, last name, address, city, and province. Scroll down to add their phone number and email. Then click Next to proceed to the payment section. Here, you'll be asked to choose your payment method, so select the one you prefer and click Continue. Finally, confirm the transaction by sliding to complete it, and the money will be sent via the Xoom app.